Well, folks, we're out here, and the weather's changed dramatically. You see the potatoes still trying to come on. Collard greens, a mixture of collard greens and kale. And this is another container. Got one here, and there's kale only. So, got some weeds over here. There's the blueberry plants still coming on. These are covered, but you can see they're poking out of the weeds. I mean, it's pretty out here, though. I mean, they said to get up to 40-mile-an-hour gusts, and I believe them. Made a believer out of me. Look at this right here. I'm gonna leave it just like it is. I'm not gonna replant. All of them didn't come up, but you can see the group of plants that look like this here. Those are the collard green. You can see around this little stick there. There's some more, and they're very young. They may make it, they may not make it. We got some here. Here's some of the older plants. There we go. You can see clearly that's collard green right there. And a lot of them didn't make it. Not bad. Over here, these were done about 4 days ago, and nothing has come up as of yet. These are the plants that we call the Maurice collards, and I haven't seen any yet, so keep my eyes open for that. This is beautiful. Look at all the leaves up there. Nothing but fertilizer. Got the look at this up here, folks. How the wind's bouncing them trees around. All right, time for me to go in because this might be dangerous. Got the grapevines over there doing their thing. Cherry tree. I put them in the ground right because none of my trees ever got pulled out of the ground or broken off. All right, later, everybody.